What's up everyone, and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. So in today's video, I wanted to do a yellow themed makeup tutorial, and what better way than capturing it on camera. But instead of me actually talking in the video, I decided just to film the video and then let you guys just watch it with some music, because I don't know, like all my makeup videos are super long, but I will drop down in the description box everything that I used for this video, just in case anyone does want to purchase anything that they saw me using. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please drop down in the comment section if you guys like videos like this. I kind of like makeup videos like this where, you know, you're not really talking, you're just really enjoying watching the person do their makeup and getting like tips and stuff like that. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and yeah, like I said, drop down in the comment section if this is something you like to see, and if not, then I'll continue making videos where we have a nice convo while I do my makeup. And yeah, so enjoy watching. And some of these products you guys have already seen in my last few videos, so I'll definitely drop them in the description box just in case someone wants to try it out. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Let me know down below if you guys enjoy videos like this where I'm not talking, where I just do my makeup and you guys just see what I'm doing rather than me explaining what I'm doing. I kind of like when I'm talking in my videos, but I kind of also like the fact that you can also record your videos and just, you know, add some music, some nice music, and allow your subscribers just to watch and see what you're doing. This is one of my favorite looks. My favorite color to work with when it comes onto a palette is yellow, because you get to really see the true pigmentation from a palette, and the yellows just really speak loud in volume. And I'm really happy that I built up this color like from the oranges and the yellows, and it really made a beautiful neon radiant type color on the lids. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like and comment if you enjoyed, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and also comment down below if you guys like videos like this. Again, I just wanted to put it out there for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.